With Sikkim registering its first COVID-19 death and amid rising cases from various COVID hotspots like Rongli and Rangpo in East Sikkim, the state government has extended the ongoing lockdown till August 1. Sikkim registered 45 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the current state's tally of active cases to 397 and overall 545 cases so far. Sikkim reported its first COVID-19 death on Sunday as per Secretary Health Department Dr. Pemba T. Bhutia. The 67-year-old male known to hypertension and diabetes from Rongli had CO loose motion. His rapid antigen test was positive and was shifted to STNM and expired at 8:30 a.m. on Sunday. Meanwhile, Dr. Pemba also clarified that the age of the patient was 67. As per latest information received from DG Cum Secretary Health, Dr. Bhutia, the test report of the 24-year-old COVID suspect female who died at STNM hospital has come negative. It has been ascertained that she did not die of COVID-19. While Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang condoled the death on his official Facebook page and requested everyone to remain calm and continue to follow the guidelines. Similarly, SDF President Pawan Chambling also condoled the death and said that the battle against COVID-19 is getting deadlier by day. Our wise response to this ugly reality must be to become cautious, more courageous and more cooperative as we take care of personal safety. Sikkim registered 45 new COVID-19 positive cases, taking the current state tally to active cases to 397 and overall 545 cases till Sunday night. East District and South District reported 14 and 31 new cases respectively, while no new cases have been reported from West and North districts. In his daily health bulletin, State Health Director General Dr. Bhutia also said, among the new cases, 5 have been reported in rapid antigen tests conducted, while other 40 in RT-PCR out of the 464. In view of the COVID-19 situation in the state, the Sikkim government has also extended the lockdown till 6 a.m. on August 1, 2020. The decision to extend the lockdown comes on the day when Sikkim reported the first COVID-19 death. Sikkim Chief Secretary S.C. Gupta on Sunday issued an order stating the extension of the lockdown. Earlier, Sikkim has decided to go for a week-long lockdown from July 20 till July 27. However, the state saw a surge in cases from Rangpo and Rongli, identified as COVID-19 hotspots, including the biggest single-day spike of 108 cases on July 22nd. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.